Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to show y'all how to make some lovely jam. This recipe Pranesh wanted to do earlier on in the year, but he didn't get a chance to go to the berry farm. So while shopping last week, we saw this lovely mixed berries which is frozen, and we decided to buy it to make the jam that Pranesh promised. This is 500 grams and I'm also going to use it from frozen. But you can use many other different types of berries. The fresh blackberry, raspberry, or you can also get some blueberries, cherries, gooseberries, whatever lovely berries, you can make it from fresh. We are just showing you the basic. Here I've got my stove on low heat. Firstly, I'm going to add in my frozen berries to my pot. This is lovely mixed berries. While these berries warm up from frozen, I'm also going to add in my sugar. So the sugar will cook with these juices. This is 1 cup sugar. I also have a pinch of salt, and I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. I'm going to allow this to cook out. Our jam is coming to the boil. I'll also give this 10 to 12 minutes. As it boils, this froth forms, so you can easily remove the froth from the cooking. But this is optional. 12 minutes has passed and my jam is almost there. But if you want it smoother, you can always smash the fruit, or if you like it thick, you can leave the fruit whole, so it will finish off a chunky instead of smooth. But we are going to make this smooth. After smashing the fruit, I gave it an extra 2 minutes, but it came to a slow boil and it's nice and thick. And after that, if I put my stove off, this jam will get even more thicker. So now I'm ready to switch my stove off and allow this to cool. It has been about 25 minutes and my jam has cooled down a little. So here I have a sterilized bottle that I'm going to use for storage, and I'm going to try to put the jam to go through into the funnel. My jam is ready to be served, and I made some lovely eggless scones this morning so we can have with tea. Along with my jam, I also have whipped cream that I will add on top. I'm just going to add some jam on the scones that we cut halves, and thereafter add some whipped cream to it. Also gonna add jam to the other half. And I'm gonna add in my whipped cream. Here you go, lovely scones and jam that we can serve with some nice hot cup of tea for our tea break. This is a good way to use up when you have extra berries or whatever berries come into season, because the jam can stay in our fridge for a few months. I first started making jam when Pranisha was studying in Cape Town. Whenever we used to visit her, we used to go to the strawberry farm, cut up fresh strawberry and bring it home and make bottles of jams for her. And it used to last her for months. The frozen berries are convenient because we can use it the whole year around. I hope you'll give this simple recipe a try. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.